to another video. I'm just going to show you making my dinner and for the rest of our night and our night routine. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I got like 3 cans of salmon right here. Just, 3 of them. And I'm just going to open up the can so I can put it in a bowl. Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you are informed of up and coming videos. I'm still trying to get the hang of this little camera thing, recording and placing, because I am using my Android phone. Yeah, any videos that you have suggest me for that you would like to see, just comment underneath any one of my videos. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just basically I opened up the cans of salmon and I'm kind of smashing it and draining the juice, as well as I'm going to be taking the bones out too. What I'm doing right now is removing the bones from the salmon. I don't really like the bones, so I just remove it all. I'm just washing my hands right now so I can get back to making the salmon. I'm just making sure, I check like a couple times to make sure that all the bones are out of the salmon, because I really don't want to be crunching into anything when I have the patties already cooked. What I'm getting right now out of the cabinet is some Creole seasoning. I really like that flavor. It goes with everything, chicken, fish, whatever. It has a really good flavor. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that over the salmon. And I'm also going to put 3 eggs, crack 3 eggs into my salmon. You might not see me crack them in there, but I'm going to put 3 eggs in there. Next, what I'm doing is I'm adding a cup of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of fish fry seasoning inside of it, maybe like a half of a cup, because fish fry is very salty. It has enough seasoning in it to only do a little bit. What I'm doing right now is I'm patting the salmon and I'm placing them on the pan, and I'm going to make about 14 to 15 of them. I used like 3 cans, so I had a decent amount of patties. And so once I'm done with that, then I'll go to the next step. Alright, I'm done, so I'm just going to put this in the sink. Okay. Now I'm just going to turn the oil on and get everything ready. I preheated the oil, so now I'm just going to start putting in the salmon. Okay. I'm going to kind of like spread them apart so they can cook. So I can just fit some more in there. I'm going to add a small one in there. I'm going to add another small one. And then I'm just going to let this cook. We'll be back. Okay, we're back, and I'm just going to flip them over. Let's flip them over. A little brown on the side. Flip this one over. Brown on that. Flip that one over. It's brown. Brown. Flip the rest of these over so they can cook on the other side. Just want to be careful so my salmon don't fall apart. No. Okay. Alright, now they're on the other side. I gotta flip this last one right here. This little baby salmon right here. Okay, we will be back when they're done. When the side that I flipped it on is cooked too. I'm so excited about eating salmon. I haven't had salmon in a long time. So they're good. Season them right. They're delicious. Not really hard to make. You know, take the little bones out, and you're good. And just add flour or corn flour, cornmeal, whatever you decide, and it will come out good. Some eggs, and there you go. I'm about to take these out. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit more before I take them out. I got my brown basmati rice cooking right now. I just put butter and I just put complete Badia seasoning in it. It's a variety mixture of different herbs and garlic and basically complete Badia seasoning like this. It's saying it's dehydrated vegetables in it. Like they dehydrate and I guess they kind of like dry it out and crinkle it, kind of like a seasoning. And then they have garlic and onion salt in it. So yeah. All right, I put the salmon in there, and also I put, as you can see over here, the cooked ones. There are like 8 over here. I use about 3 cans, so this is how many I cooked. Okay, I'm just gonna take this apart from this real quick and kind of like smush this together. Smush it. All right. Gonna let it cook. And I will be back when it's time to flip the other side. I'm gonna take this. So I can actually what you messing with my pots and pans, little boy? Now my brown rice has started to boil. I'm just gonna put the top over it and let it simmer and turn the heat down. Okay. So if it's still cooking, let me see if it's done. It's time to flip it over. It cooks pretty quickly, so oops, excuse my finger. Okay, flip them all on the other side, so I just have to let the bottom part of the salmon cook, and then I'll be taking that out too. This now, and I think the salmon should be done. Yeah, it's done, so I'm gonna just take them out and put them on a pan. Just move this over. And I'm just gonna put the rest of the salmon that's done on the pan. Right, done. We'll come over here and kind of turn the heat down just a little bit more on the rice. And okay, that took about maybe a couple minutes or so. Salmon. So I'm just waiting for the rice to be done. I'm actually going to make a cucumber kale salad. So I've been on that kick right now, eating cucumbers and carrots, especially olives. I love olives, so that's what I'll be doing. I'm going to make the salad right now while I wait for the rice to be done. This is how the salad looks right here, as you can see. I got kale, I got some cucumbers, I got carrots in there. And then I actually, season it with the seasons I showed you. So, I'm just gonna put a plate together, make my kids' plate, and then you'll see.